Number 10. Ice Hotel Sweden. The Ice Hotel, located in the small village of Jukkasjärvi, is a unique hotel entirely made of ice and snow. Each year, the hotel is reconstructed with a new design, featuring intricately carved ice sculptures and ice furniture. Guests sleep on beds made of ice, bundled up in warm sleeping bags. It's a truly magical and otherworldly experience. Number 9. Giraffe Kenya Hotel. Giraffe Manor is a charming boutique hotel located in Nairobi, Kenya. What makes it truly special is the resident herd of Rothschild giraffes that freely roam the property. Guests can enjoy breakfast with the giraffes, who often poke their heads through the windows to interact with visitors. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get up close and personal with these majestic creatures. Number 8. Dog Hotel USA. Located in Cottonwood, Idaho, the Dog Bark Park Inn is a hotel shaped like a giant beagle. The quirky exterior is matched by dog-themed interiors, including dog-shaped furnishings and canine-themed decor. It's a fun and whimsical destination for dog lovers and those looking for a unique place to stay. Number 7. Polar Hotel, Finland. Nestled in the Finnish Lapland, Kakslatainen Arctic Resort offers guests the opportunity to stay in glass igloos. These igloos provide stunning panoramic views of the northern lights, as they are specially designed to keep guests warm and cozy while allowing them to admire the natural spectacle from the comfort of their beds. Number 6. Of the Underground Hotel in Sweden. The Sala Silvermine, located in Sweden, offers a truly extraordinary experience. Guests can spend the night in an underground suite, located 155 meters below the surface. The suite is carved out of an old silver mine and provides a unique blend of history and adventure for those seeking an unconventional hotel stay. Number 5. Magic Mountain Hotel Chile. Situated within the Huilo Huilo Biological Reserve in Chile, the Magic Mountain Hotel is a fairy tale-like structure that resembles a volcano with a cascading waterfall. The hotel is covered in lush vegetation, giving it a magical and ethereal appearance. It's an ideal choice for nature enthusiasts and those looking for an enchanting experience. Number 4. Of the Hotel Under the Sea. The Manta Resort, located on Pemba Island, Tanzania, offers an exceptional underwater hotel room. The floating suite, known as the Underwater Room, provides a bedroom submerged beneath the surface of the crystal-clear water. Guests can enjoy unparalleled views of marine life and immerse themselves in the tranquility of the underwater world. Number 3. Suspended Forest Hotel. Tucked away in the rainforests of Vancouver Island, Canada, the Free Spirit Spheres offer a unique treehouse experience. These suspended spherical structures hang from trees and provide cozy accommodations amidst nature. It's an offbeat and serene lodging option for those seeking seclusion and a connection with the forest. Number 2. Hotel Without a Wall. Null Stern Hotel, translated as Zero-Star Hotel, challenges the traditional concept of a hotel. Located in the Swiss Alps, this unconventional hotel has no walls or ceilings, giving guests an open bed under the sky. It is an immersive and minimalist style. Number 1. Hotel Jaarsteegeel. The Crane Hotel Faralda, situated in Amsterdam, repurposes a monumental industrial crane into luxurious hotel suites. The 3 suites are located at different heights, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Staying in a converted crane provides a unique vantage point and an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking something out of the ordinary.